Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, see today we'll see one error while developing this Python API. I got some error guys, so I thought that I have to share with you, so it will be helpful for you guys. Okay, so see already I have done APIs for all the things like get, post, update, delete APIs in Python. You can watch that video in my channel. Okay, guys. So you can see guys, this is my post API. So this is my route. Then I'm taking here JSON data from our JSON body from postman. Then here name, email, address, everything is there, right? If data is not present, we are here giving a 400 error, and if anything missing is also we are providing like we are showing like it should show 400 bad request error. Okay, like that we are committing, and here we are returning something. Something in the sense whatever data we are storing in our database, that only we are returning in our JSON format. Okay guys, and one more thing guys, you can see here db.session.commit. This is nothing but we are saving data in our database. For that we use commit. Okay, so this everything in detail I have told already in my API creation video guys, so you can watch that. Today we'll see one error, so that I will tell you guys. Okay, so while testing this API, you will also get guys that error. Okay, so it is good to see why this error will come and all. Okay, so you can see guys, I'm getting this 4045 method not allowed error. You can see guys, I'm doing like this, but I'm getting this error. Okay, so you can see name, email, address, password, everything is there. Okay, then the method is post, and this is my URL. Okay, and when I'm testing, I'm getting this error. Okay, so why this error will come? So first we need to check guys all the data is there or not. First check, then check the method. So here it is post, because we are storing this data in our database, right? So for storing database, what we will use is we will use the post method. So here it is post. Okay, then next what we need to check guys, next you need to check the URL, whether my URL is correct or not. Okay, so for that what I will do, I will go in my code. Okay, so here you can see guys. Okay, you can see guys, for post my URL is different guys. You just underscore post it is. Okay, the method is post and my URL is different. And here what URL I have taken, you can see guys, I have taken only users. There is no store and all, right? You can see guys here. So because of that, maybe that error is coming. So we'll check guys whether it will get solved by this, by using this or not. That we will check. Okay, fine guys. So okay, so what I will do, I'll take this, and here I will do. See guys, in Laravel I have done this. In Laravel also you will get this error guys, so there is different method that also I told guys, you can watch that. And this is in Python guys, so here might be different issue. So I thought for all the languages I have to create the video for this error guys, so I'm creating this video. Okay, then these are the data. Now we will check whether we will get this 404 method not allowed error, or whether it will get solved. That we will check. Okay, so now I'm doing send here. Okay, see guys, this error got solved. Now I'm getting find a intercept error. So this is why. This is because of, you can see guys, duplicate entry. So for duplicate entry, we need to return something JSON, so that we will see guys. But right now, what it is guys, it is selling duplicate entry, means already this entry is there in my database. So after adding that, we will check guys what will happen. Okay, so this everything I'm going to change now. Okay, then here we'll add Pune, and here I'll add password 3123. Okay, now what we will do guys, now I'll send, we'll check. Okay, you can see guys, now I got the JSON response. Whatever data I'm providing, that data has been stored in my database, and I got the response. And here you can see that 201 means created. I have written here for success or return 201, so it is returning 201 as a created, like that. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. Suppose if you're facing this error like 4005 method not allowed in your Python APIs while testing in Postman, so you can follow this method. So if you once you follow this, your error will get solved. So I hope, guys, you got how we can solve this error. If you have any question queries regarding this or other any problems in Python, then just guys comment in comment box. And if you're liking my videos, then like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Keep supporting it.